welcome to the microcontroller lab. Previously done for the LED blinking, so LED is continuously on. Now it is a code to switch the code, and once the LED will blink, right? This is the code will be LED blinking. It's a part of the continuation of the previous code. This is what the code. So what is do the previously done, the procedures will be same. So project and just new project, or everything it will be done same thing. This is the code for that. It will only code. This will be do the code for the just blink the LED. This is just blink the LED code. Okay. Next you have to go to the our main. This will be directly I will load the project. I will just minimize it. I will just open this at Melflip. Just you have to go to the select the IC, that is 89C582. Say OK. Next you have to select the COM port. Select the COM port. It is will be COM3 because right now, and baud rate will be 9600 baud rate, 9600 baud rate, and COM3 port. So port and baud rate once just you have selected. Next you have to say connect. So now now you have to load the hex file now. So the hex file will be this. Right now for this experiment is experiment number 112 hex file will be this. Is for the LED blink. Right, this will be open that. So it's once I open, next you have to just say run here. So once you just click the run button, once you just click the run button, so this will be seen the below. This will be loading the program. Just click the run once again. This will be erasing the devices. You will be coding the dump the data in the code. So this will take just a minute. This will be taking just 1 minute or 2 minutes. This will be loading all the data. So once it stores the data, next you have to just say the start application. Just click the start application. So we will be get the window. Next this will be color will be changed. Next you have to come to the your directly to the kit. So this is a kit. You have to see this is the LCD. This is the your 89C582. This is the IC. These are some capacitors. This is a bus connection. This is a jumpers. This will be the port connections. Right. This is a bus. This is called a bus. Then these are the buttons. These are the LEDs. Just press this button here. This only LED will be blink one time. Right. Just you have to see. Just click the button. This will be blink. Then it will be off the LED. Just see it. Just all this code. Only this is the code to write this program. Just blink the LED. This is what the connections. This will be the power supply. This will be connecting the power supply for this device, right? This is the power supply connection. This is the 5 volt. This is for the connection for this is the your system to the connecting this USB to this connector. This will be connected from the RS-232 your DB9 connectors. Already covered in the lot of things in the theory part. This will be helpful for the your code. This will be the DB9 connector. This will be RS-232 connectors. This is the connector for the your devices by using the line drivers. Okay, these are the things very important. Maybe in the examinations, this will blink the LED, and you have to continuously on the LED by writing these codes. Thank you for watching.